It's 6 a.m. on a freezing Tuesday. You wake up on a concrete step with literally nothing. No phone, no wallet, no ID, and $0 in your pocket. You step into a diner just to ask for a glass of water, but the owner takes one look at your dirty face and tells you to get out. You are trapped in the zero resource loop. You can't apply for a job without an ID, you can't get an ID without an address, and you can't get an address without money. To most people, getting from this curb to a $100,000 net worth sounds like an impossible fantasy. But money isn't about luck, it's about systems. You don't need a miracle, you need a blueprint. And today I'm going to show you the exact hyper-realistic math of how anyone in your position can build a $100,000 business from scratch. We aren't going to skip a single detail. We're accounting for every 25-cent public library printing fee, every $25 gym membership for showers, food costs, tools, and even the brutal 15.3% self-employment tax. Here is the step-by-step masterclass on how you go from zero on the pavement to $100,000 in the bank. Your first 72 hours aren't about making thousands of dollars. They're about building an invisible digital lifeline. Before you can make a single dollar, you need access to the internet, a working phone number, and a secure email address. Day one, you use free library computers and Wi-Fi to create a secure email address. Then, you sign up for MicroTask, data entry, and user testing platforms like Prolific, Remotasks, or Swagbucks. These sites don't require an upfront ID or a complex bank setup to start earning small amounts. Over 48 to 72 hours of focused work on library computers, you generate your first $100. Instead of a bank account, you cash out your earnings directly to a fee-free digital gift card. Now comes the critical move. You take that first $100 and buy a cheap prepaid burner smartphone and a month of basic data. You now have personal, 24/7 internet access and a real cell phone number capable of receiving SMS verification codes. Now you're ready to get an ID, open a real online account. Before you touch any high-reward venture, let's establish rule number one: cover your survival baseline first. You use the quick micro-task income or a small service hustle to cover your daily food, shelter, and phone bill. Once your basic survival isn't hanging in the balance, your mind is free to focus on real wealth generation. And then you chose Forex trading to transform from covering basic needs to building actual wealth. Now, why trading? A lot of gurus online love to make market trading sound like rocket science, but trading is just high-probability risk management. It's actually easy to understand once you cut out the noise. You don't need a finance degree, you just need discipline and a clear strategy. You don't start trading real money on day one. Give yourself one full month dedicated strictly to learning. I've put together a curated playlist of free YouTube tutorials down in the video description below. Zero fluff, just the step-by-step fundamentals of price action, chart reading, and risk management. Once your 30 days of learning are up and you're consistently profitable on a demo account, here's how you actually can start real Forex trading without risking your own life savings: funded accounts. Prop firms let you trade their capital instead. After digging through dozens of platforms and doing a ton of research on rules, payout records, and fees, the most reliable and budget-friendly option out there right now is Maven. You can actually buy a funded account with only $15, and I have never seen other prop firm which offers reasonable price like this. It's not a promotion, but if you want to check out, I have put their link in the description. You take around $35 from your side hustle money and buy a $10,000 Maven funded evaluation account. Suddenly, you aren't trying to make rent on a tiny $100 balance. You're controlling 5 figures of real capital. Over the next few weeks, you take 12 high-probability trades. Some hit stop loss, but because your risk-to-reward ratio is tight, your winning trades far outshine the losses. You pass Phase 1, clear Phase 2, and receive your official live funded trader credentials. You went from $0 in library Wi-Fi to a scalable, remote income stream in less than 60 days. From here, scaling is pure math. You scale up into $100,000 account. You have a $100,000 funded account doesn't mean that you have $100,000, but once you're in the game, it's so easy to scale up. That is the exact roadmap to hit $100,000 net take home. Check out the free learning playlist and the Maven link in the description to get started, and please do not forget to like and subscribe.